After a full year of hard work, we finally arrived in Monaco to face the real challenge of change. Yesterday, we assembled our complete boat and hoisted it into the harbor of Monaco. Today we had our first race, the manoeuvrability challenge. The boat and the team performed well and we completed the course within a time of 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Today we also tested our boat. During the sea trials we made our first flying meters on the Mediterranean Sea. All to prepare ourselves for tomorrow, where we will sail the 16 nautical mile and the speed record, and this all leads up to our final and most important race, the Endurance Challenge.